Morning, guys. Let's talk recovery after eye lift. Eye lift is also known as blepharoplasty, and this is actually a procedure I do a lot of in the office. Upper bleph involves just taking a strip of skin off the upper eyelid. Sometimes patients do need a brow lift, and that involves an incision in front of the hairline. Also something I do in the office under local. A lot of people have kind of heavy eyelids, hooded eyelids, or just that extra bit of skin that makes it really hard to put on your eye makeup or even interferes with vision. And doing it under local in the office is really straightforward. If people need a little pre-medication, I give you a sublingual melt that has Versed and ketamine, so you just don't care as much. And then there's a little pinch and bee sting as I inject the numbing medicine. After the procedure, that medication wears off in like 2 hours, so you're fine to go about your day. Your eyes are gonna be puffy, and they're gonna feel a little gritty and dry, but this is not by any means a very painful procedure. You know, think about it on par with like getting a mole removed, because really we're just taking off skin. People do bruise, and it really varies how much you bruise. I've had some people look like I punched them in the face and other people with barely any bruising visible. But this is actually a procedure that's really easy to recover from in the summer. Everybody's got sunglasses on, and even if you wanna go swimming or something, you just don't put your head underwater. So it doesn't tend to impede people's activities very much in the summer. Now, I do have you avoid heavy cardio because that can cause swelling, and like don't repetitively lift heavy stuff like weightlifting. But if you need to pick up something heavy a couple times, it's not going to be a problem. So we do these in the office. Recovery is pretty straightforward other than the bruising. And if you throw your sunglasses on, much easier. I do have you use eye drops for a few days after, and I give Celebrex, which is an anti-inflammatory. That's generally all people need in terms of pain control, that and some ice. So I do want to let you know we are offering free consultations for eye lift on August 21st. If you want to learn about that, email us info@greerplastics.com and we can get you hooked up.